Okay, so in this video, I'd like to talk about the gig title hack. Now, I think I mentioned it in one of the earlier videos. Now, I searched for logo design and I will click on the recommended tab. Now, there will be a lot of gigs with weird names here. I will logo design into commas, and I will design a logo design, and a lot of them have the same name actually. I will design a logo design, I will design a logo design, and they are there for a reason. So they all use the gig title hack. Now the gig title hack is to rename the gig and have a title that is as short as possible. Now Fiverr has a rule, so you need at least have 4 words in the title and at least 15 characters. Now a comma counts also as a word, so this one, for example, has 4 words as well, logo design and 2 commas as 1 word. The I will part doesn't count here. So we really try to have a title that is as short as possible and basically only consists of the keyword that we've selected or that people search for logo design, for example. Now you can do that in any category. You could do it with voiceovers. I will a voiceover, for example. And it's not the best English, but it doesn't really matter. If you show up in this section on top, you will get orders no matter how stupid your gig title may sound. So you can try that out. You don't have to, of course, but I did it with my other account and my sales actually exploded. So these guys will have 30 plus orders in the next days, and it's a really nice little hack. So but I recommend you to just start doing it if you have a bunch of orders already completed. So I don't know if it's a good idea to start doing the gig title hack if you only have 1 completed order. But I mean, some of these guys they only have 1 positive rating. So I will do that with my gig as well. And I think I will call it as well, I will design a logo design. So I will go on my profile, click on my sales, my gigs, click the little arrow, click on edit, and I will change the gig title to I will design a logo design. So I just hope this will really improve my my search ranking, and it would be great if I show up in the top results in the recommended section and give me a lot of new orders. So just click on save down here and it will automatically save your title. So yeah, thanks for watching. And if you have any questions regarding the gig title hack, or if you have any exciting results, make sure to send me a message and share them with me. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you then. Bye.